The key, as has been pointed out, is really the simple integration. So, if you want to use compute in 5 different locations, are they all the same provider? Can you do it all once, or do you have to do it 5 times? And that abstraction is really where the innovation and the future look is, I think. How do you, if you're using Terraform today to manage your distribution and your deployments, can you also bake in with a pretty simple set of executions, access to a set of edge locations that may have some slightly different underlying hardware, but you don't have to care about that. That's the bit that's the challenge that the service providers, such as Limelight, are looking at doing in order to understand that complexity and bring that to the market. And I think that level of integration is what the opportunity is, and also what the challenge for everyone is today. Can I adopt edge? Well, do I have to integrate with 5 different operators? I think is
so not quite. We're not quite at a write once, run everywhere. We're kind of at a write once, run everywhere within a certain set of parameters.
Well, I think it also requires, subtle changes in software. We also handwave, yes, you'll be able to integrate it with Terraform. Well, what if your application isn't built that way today? Do you spend, how much of your time do you then spend on rewriting it so it can work that way? So you have to get back to the business problem. What's the key element that's driving me that says, I need to gain that additional performance benefit, either from introspection or from end-to-end visibility, or to improve the quality of my login process or my search, or whatever your business problem is that you have a performance challenge with, that will drive your move towards the edge. And I think for us as a content industry, we can't forget, we can't be totally technology-led anymore, right? This is about saying, we need to solve a performance problem, so let's go solve it. And if the edge is the right answer and we can make it work for people, then it will get used. If it's just let's shoehorn this into this hole, then it won't get used.